This is my 1964 Chrysler New Yorker. I have no business owning this car. I don't know shit about it. But here it is in my garage because my parents didn't want it in their garage anymore. It doesn't go, it doesn't stop, and it's not pretty. So we're gonna figure out how to make it go, how to make it stop, and how to make it pretty. The problem is, I don't know how to do any of that. So welcome to episode 1 of Don't Know Garage. Okay, let me give you a tour of this thing. Here's the back seat with some stock cardboard, fallen headliner. Actually the seats are over here in my garage. I did take those out. Not for any good reason, only because I found an old newspaper and I wanted to see if there were more under the seat. There weren't. Okay, the first thing that I've been working on is this that I learned is called windlace. It's not so bad here, but here is pretty bad. I did already rip out the passenger side. It was falling apart and duct tape to the car. So I did already rip all of that out. So we're gonna finish this side. See how it goes with holes. I'm using a flathead screwdriver and some needle nose pliers. And I have a Phillips just in case I need to take things off like this. Why is this screw so long? Jeez. This was way longer than the other side. No, that's what she said. All right. Don't do that. Stop it. I got some of that nasty shit in my shoe. How does that happen? No foot stuff for y'all, okay? It's weird. I mean, you're into what you're into, you know. There's probably an easier way to do this. I wonder if I could, if I take this panel off, does this seat come off the same as this seat? What is this? Oh. I don't know if it's worth it. I'm taking out the front seat.